When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades is installing custom windows. Whether you're looking to sell your home, improve its energy efficiency, or simply refresh its look, custom windows in Jacksonville Beach can dramatically elevate the aesthetic and functional qualities of your property. Tailored to your style. One of the main reasons homeowners choose custom windows is the ability to personalize them to suit their style. In a coastal area like Jacksonville Beach, where the environment is defined by beautiful ocean views and natural sunlight, your windows should reflect that unique setting. Custom windows allow you to select from a range of shapes, sizes, and finishes, ensuring that they fit perfectly with the architecture of your home. For example, if you live in a beachside bungalow, you may want large, expansive windows that open up your living space to breathtaking views of the beach and the ocean beyond. If you have a more traditional home, custom windows with classic wooden frames and divided panes can complement the historical aesthetic. Whether you're going for modern, rustic, or anything in between, custom windows can be designed to match the exact look you want for your home. Improve energy efficiency. In Jacksonville Beach, the coastal climate can be both a blessing and a challenge for homeowners. The year-round sunshine means lots of light and warmth, but it can also result in high cooling costs, especially during the hot summer months. Custom windows can be made with energy-efficient materials such as low emissivity, low-E glass, which helps regulate your home's internal temperature by reflecting heat from the sun while still letting in natural light. Not only does this keep your living space more comfortable, but it also helps lower energy bills by reducing the reliance on air conditioning. Moreover, custom windows can be designed to fit tightly, eliminating drafts that could otherwise make your home feel cooler during the winter months. Boost your home's value. Upgrading your windows is a smart investment, particularly if you're looking to sell your home in the near future. According to real estate experts, homes with updated windows can often fetch higher prices on the market. Custom windows can help make your home stand out in a competitive real estate market, attracting potential buyers with their aesthetic appeal and the practical benefits of better energy efficiency. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes that require less immediate maintenance. Custom windows, built to last, add an element of durability and sophistication that can make your home more attractive. Whether your goal is to sell quickly or simply improve your living space, the right windows can significantly enhance both value and appeal. Durability and protection. Living near the ocean means exposure to saltwater, humidity, and wind, all of which can take a toll on your home over time. Custom windows are built with these environmental factors in mind. They are made from high-quality materials that can withstand the harsh coastal conditions, providing durability and protection against the elements. With the right windows, you can keep your home insulated from the salty air, prevent corrosion, and reduce the wear and tear on your home's exterior. This not only extends the lifespan of your windows but also maintains the overall structural integrity of your property. Conclusion. when it comes to enhancing the curb appeal of your Jacksonville Beach home. Custom windows offer both beauty and function. By selecting windows that suit your home's style, improve energy efficiency, increase property value, and provide protection from the elements, you can create a more comfortable and attractive living space. Whether you're enhancing your current home or preparing to sell, custom windows are a wise investment that can elevate your home's appearance and performance for years to come.